Hello everyone, let's start solving today's Leetcode daily challenge question. So the question is find unique binary string. Given an array of string nums containing n unique binary strings, each of length n. Return a binary string of length n that does not appear in nums. If there are multiple answers, you may return any of them. Okay. So for example, our nums is given, which has binary string of size 2. So we can have like size, let's say instead size I'll take n is equal to 2. What are the binary strings possible? 1 0, 0 1, 1 1, and 0 0. Okay, so out of this, which is there, this is there and this is there, so we can return either 1 1 or 0 0. So similarly here also 1 1 we can return, or 1 0 we can also return. Okay, so if we see this example, size is 3. Okay, so what are the possibilities we can get is we can get 0 0 0, we can get 0 0 1, we can get 0 1 0, we can get 1 0 0, 0 0 1 1, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 1 1 1. So like that we can get different uh, strings, binary strings of size n is equal to 3. So any one if we get, that is fine. Like 1 1 1 is there, 0 1 1 is there, and 001 is also there. So these are the remaining. Any one if you return, that will be considered as our answer, like correct. Okay, so this is what we have to do. So in the yesterday's question, if you haven't watched, please you can just check out that question and solve. So in the similar way we solved, but not the question was different, but the approach we were using was same. Okay, so here we can make use of a recursion, or you can say backtracking, to construct these strings. Okay, these binary strings, we know what is the n, and we know only binary string, that is 1 and 0 are present. So we can build this string, and if we get one, any one which is not there in our list, so we what we can do is we can add this into our set and use that set because to search fastly. Okay, so let me use paint to explain how we can construct these strings. Let's say our n is equal to 3, and we have set of letters 0 and 1. Okay, so if I start with 0, okay, what okay, this is 0. What other thing I can append again is either 0 or 1. So what I will get is 0 0 and 0 1. Again, our size is n is equal to 3, so we have to do again. So again 0 and 1. Here also 0 and 1. So it will be 0 and 1, 0 and 1. So size is our n is 3, so we are able to build this 3 strings. The size strings of size 3. Okay, so the string is 0 0 0, we got 0 0 1, we are getting again 0 1 0 is getting, and 0 1 1. Okay, so this 4 we got, which starts with 0. Similarly we can construct for 1 as well, right? So 1, so what I will do, okay, 1. Now we have 0 and 1. Now for this 0 we have again 0 and 1. For this 1 again we will add 0 and 1. Okay, so from this 1 to we are appending 0, or we can append 1. So for 0 we can append 0 or 1. Why I'm showing till this much? Because our n is 3. If our n is 4, we will go one level down. Okay, so what string I will get here is 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, and 1 1 1. Okay, so I'm getting this. So we can construct this. Suppose let's say I'm getting 000, that time only if I check what was my list, in my list what was there, let's check 111 011 and 111 011 and 001. So these were the there. So if I check if I got 0, this 000, and if I check here, if it is not there, we can directly return. So we are going to use this and we are going to backtrack the basically. See, this may be, let's say this is my str, which is initially 0. Okay, string 0. Now here I can, what do I can append it like 0 and 1, 0 and 0. If I go down, I will again append this 0 to it. If I want to come back, okay, here what will be, this will be my step. If I want to come back, I have to remove this. Okay, so I will remove this and again I will append this. So this way we will get. So let's start coding. Let's create one public string. What we can say, get unique remaining string. I'm just writing one name. We will pass a set which contains our num set. Okay, string set. We have to pass what we can pass this n as well, int n, and what we have to pass one string builder as well. No string. Oh, sorry, here not no string. We want a string builder which will build a string. I mean, it will be good instead of string if you use a string builder. So what will be my base condition? It will be if my sb dot length, okay, is equal to n. That means what, we got our string. Okay, so we got this 000 011, because at every stage there will be 000, 01 and 10 and out, but we want size as 3. So what we will do, if it is there, we will return what, return if my set dot contains this sb dot to string. If it contains, I will return just empty string, else I will return sb dot to string. Okay, so this is my base condition. Next is, we have only two choices, either 0 or 1. Okay, so we can just, what we can do is, let's say first I will append sb dot append 0, and I'll get string, let's say string result 1 is equal to, I will use the same method. I'll call the same method set n, and I'll pass this sp. If my result 1 is not equal to null, or hmm, instead, let's say instead of this empty string, we will pass the null only. So we can check here. If my result is not equal to null, then I will return what? Return this result one. Again, what I here I will do. Now 0 we have added. Okay. So but now we want only 1. So what we can do, uh, sb dot set char at what, at the last position, that means sb dot length -1, and here what we have to set with 1, and same thing we will. Okay, so here it will alias 2, and again at then we have to remove it, right? Sb dot delete char at, and return. Okay, here we have to, here what we have to do, we can directly, we need a set. Okay, set of strings, set is equal to new hash set. Maybe we can do arrays dot as list of listeners. Let's try this, and we can just return directly this, where we'll pass this set and nums of 0 dot length and new string builder. So let me run this. Okay, you can see our selected. So accepted. So this is the way. This is one way to solve this question. As I say every time in every different videos, that then there are many different solutions to solve a particular question. But in my videos, I'm picking one thing and I'm explaining that. If you want the another also approach, let me know in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel to stay updated. Thank you.